how to fix the headphone control not working on the iPhone 7. So if you find that you're having a problem with the headphone control here, it's not working when you press on the button, then here's how you can fix it. So first press on the home key to take you back to your home screen, then tap on settings. In the settings screen, go into general and tap on software update. So apparently there is a glitch with the software, so simply go in there and then tap on install now. This will download the latest update and fix the headphone control issue. So we're just waiting for it to verify the update. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi or you have an internet connections. So here it is, the phone is now restarting. Okay, look like it's doing it now. Yep, it just takes some time. And once you install the update, this should fix the headphone remote control issues. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.